Hey everyone, we're back and we're talking self-care, specifically on mental health strength, mental health awareness. I'm going to teach you a couple of techniques on how to show yourself some compassion, how to show yourself some grace, and learn through your experience. So without any further ado, listen up. Got 3 easy steps. You're going to focus on the positive. Now, I know everybody says that, but I'm talking about what you are feeding yourself, what you are exposing yourself to, what you're seeing with your eyes, what you are hearing with your ears. Making sure that that serves you, that is progressing you towards your goals. There's a whole lot of negative, a whole lot of fear-based propaganda and stories out there. Those don't serve you if you're trying to advance on. Those just add additional weight and baggage. Step 2. By the way, if you guys like our content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, make sure you don't miss any of our content. We appreciate the love and support, guys. Let's keep this going. Quit playing the victim. If it's anybody's fault, it's your fault. Make better choices, make some better decisions, but take responsibility and look at your situation as if you are a student, as if you are learning, and that you are just progressing through these experiences. Which leads me to step 3. You are not that special. Actually, you are, but these things happening for you versus to you gives you that student mentality, which was in step 2, that you have that opportunity to learn your lessons through these experiences, through these people, instead of having that victimhood mentality of, oh man, why does this keep happening to me? There's something to be taught in that. So not everything is about you, but everything is for you. Just to recap, focus on the positive, what you are surrounding yourself with, what you are digesting, what you're seeing with your eyes and hearing with your ears. Step 2, quit playing the victim. If it's anybody's fault, it's your fault. Take ownership of it, make better choices, make better decisions, but start putting yourself in and around those situations. Step 3, you're not that special, but really you are. It's happening for you, not to you, so it gets you out of that victimhood mentality. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Appreciate the love and support. Make sure that you like, share, and follow. Get this out to your friends. I know it's of value to you. It's of value to them. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks as always. Love you. Bye-bye.